Hello guys, in this video, I would like to share about how to mail merge using Microsoft Word, Excel and Microsoft Outlook. First and foremost, we have to open a Works document and then go to the menu bar above, click on Mailing, select on the Start Mail Merge, choose on the format that you want. For example, I choose on Email Message, click on it. After selecting the format, you have to click on Select Recipient, choose on second one, Use an existing list. This is because I have the Excel file which is customer information, so I choose on the file to connect it and then click OK for this dialog box. Remember to take this first row of the data contain a column of header. If you contain the header, please tick and then click OK. Now you can starting writing your mail. Type on hello, then choose on the insert merge field, first name, then continue typing your mail. Do again, insert the merge field, choose on the data you want to merge. Is due on please submit your payment. Thank you. The billing company. After finish typing the mail, you can preview the result by click on Preview Result. It will show the first record that merged from the Excel file. First name is John and the package plan is beginner. The due date is on 10 November. Second one record Emily and the package plan is Pro. Third one is David and the package plan is VIP and the due date is 12 November. After checking the result, you can click on Finish and Merge. Choose on Send Email Message if you want to send, or if you want to print the document, choose Print Document. For this video, I will demo Send Email Message. Click on it and then choose on To, select on the column Email, this one Excel file column, and then enter the subject name, testing, and then click OK. It will automatically send the mail to your customer. That's all. Thank you.